Choosing the right window installation company in Dallas can make all the difference when it comes to energy efficiency, curb appeal, and home value. Whether you're replacing outdated windows or installing new ones, working with a reliable and professional window company ensures high-quality results that last for years. With so many options available, here's a guide to help you find the best window installation company in Dallas that meets your needs. Look for experience and reputation. When choosing a window installation company, experience matters. A well-established company with a solid track record is more likely to provide quality workmanship and customer satisfaction. Here's how to evaluate a company's reputation. Years in business. Look for companies with at least 5 years of experience in window installation. Customer reviews. Check Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau, BBB, for customer feedback and ratings. Portfolio of past work. Reputable companies often showcase completed projects on their websites or social media. Referrals and testimonials. Ask for references from past clients who have had similar projects completed. Companies with positive reviews, a long history, and strong customer referrals are often the best choice. Check for licensing and insurance. A professional window installation company should be licensed and insured to operate in Dallas. This ensures that they comply with local building codes and safety regulations. Before hiring a company, verify that they have state or local business licenses to perform window installations, liability insurance to cover any damages during installation, workers' compensation insurance to protect employees in case of injuries. Never work with an unlicensed or uninsured company, as this could lead to costly mistakes and legal issues if something goes wrong. Compare window options and brands. Not all windows are created equal, and the right installation company should offer a wide range of window options suited for Dallas climate. High-quality windows should provide energy efficiency, durability, and style. Look for companies that offer ENERGY STAR certified windows for better insulation and reduced energy costs. Double or triple pane glass for soundproofing and energy efficiency. Low E coatings to block UV rays and protect your home from heat buildup. Multiple frame materials, such as vinyl, fiberglass, aluminum, or wood. A good window company should help you choose the right materials and styles that complement your home while enhancing energy efficiency. Understand warranty and service agreements. A reputable window installation company stands behind their work with strong warranties. Before signing a contract, review the following. Manufacturer warranty. Covers defects in materials, typically lasts 10-20 years. Installation warranty. Ensures proper installation, ranges from 1-5 years. Satisfaction guarantee. Some companies offer money-back guarantees if customers aren't satisfied. A company with comprehensive warranty coverage provides peace of mind and protects your investment. Compare pricing and get multiple quotes. While price shouldn't be the only deciding factor, getting multiple quotes ensures you're receiving a fair deal. Here's how to approach pricing. Request at least 3 quotes from different Dallas window installation companies. Compare materials, warranties, and labor costs to see what's included in each offer. Be cautious of extremely low prices, as they could indicate lower quality materials or poor craftsmanship. Ask about financing options if budget is a concern. A trustworthy company will provide transparent pricing with no hidden fees and explain their quote in detail. Assess customer service and communication. From the first consultation to the final installation, a company's customer service speaks volumes about its professionalism. Look for companies that are responsive and easy to reach via phone, email, or online chat. Offer free in-home consultations and provide detailed assessments. Have a team that is knowledgeable and willing to answer questions. Provide a clear timeline for your window installation project. Great communication ensures a smooth and hassle-free window replacement process. Ask about energy efficiency and local climate considerations. Dallas experiences hot summers and occasional winter chills, so energy-efficient windows are a must. The right installation company should be knowledgeable about energy-efficient glass options to keep your home cool in the summer. Impact-resistant windows for storm protection. Proper sealing techniques to prevent air leaks and drafts. A company that understands local climate challenges will help you choose windows that improve insulation and reduce energy bills. Final thoughts. Making the right choice. Finding the best window installation company in Dallas doesn't have to be overwhelming. By considering experience, reputation, product selection, warranties, pricing, and customer service, you can make an informed decision and ensure your home receives the best quality windows. For the best results, choose a licensed, insured, and well-reviewed company that offers energy-efficient window solutions suited to Dallas climate. Investing in professional window installation enhances your home's value, comfort, and energy efficiency for years to come.